Now, for the rotation with variable angular acceleration, since the differential equation of the rectilinear motion and of rotation are mathematically identical, we have to observe merely that technique for handling the case of rotation with variable angular acceleration is identical to that developed in the past lecture. Okay. Let us try to solve this one under the rotation with variable angular acceleration. Okay. The rotation of a pulley is defined by the relation theta is equal to 2t to the fourth minus 30t squared plus 6, where theta is measured in radians and t in seconds. Letter A, compute the value of the angular displacement theta when t is equal to 4 seconds. Okay, for the solution, angular displacement theta when t is equal to 4 seconds, where theta is equal to 2t to the fourth minus 30t squared plus 6. Okay, substitute the value of your t, that is 2 times 4 to the fourth minus 30 times 4 squared plus 6. The theta is equal to 38 radians. For letter B, compute the value of the angular velocity at the instant t is equal to 4 seconds. Okay, for the solution, d theta with respect to time is equal to 8t cubed minus minus 6t. Why? Because the given is theta is equal to 2t fourth. Theta is equal to 2t to the fourth minus 30t squared plus 6. Then get the derivative of this one with respect to time. We have 8t cubed using the power formula minus 60 60t. And then the derivative of your 6, since 6 is a constant, is 0. Therefore, d theta over dt is the angular velocity, which is equal to 8t cubed minus 60t. Then substitute the value of your t. Therefore, that is 8 times 4 cubed minus 60 times 4. Therefore, the angular velocity is equal to 272 radian per second. Okay, next. For letter C, compute the value of the angular acceleration at the instant t is equal to 4 seconds. Therefore, solution, we have angular is equal to 8t cubed minus 60t. And then the alpha is the angular acceleration. Get the derivative of the omega with respect to t. Therefore, this one would be equal to 24t squared minus 60. Okay, substitute the value of your t, which is equal to 4 minus 60. Alpha now is equal to 324 radian per second squared. Okay, this one is the value.